But
Just can you tell us about the confidence in this team when we see a big short on the ball, knowing how many times you've reeled them in, you supposed to feel like you can do it every time, do you?
Yeah, I think obviously the strength of the batting lineup's been a big plus for us over the past years, both setting totals and chasing them down. I thought 340 as daft as that sound, I thought the bowling unit did a great job to restrict Pakistan to that. We played there in some really high scoring games, so I didn't think 340 particularly felt such a huge score on the wicket like that with a very fast outfield and small rankings.
And Jason's been sort of flying in this series, but was it timely with the World Cup around the corner to see Ben putting things like that together?
Absolutely, yeah, he played fantastically well. I think we played great cricket, I thought, in the whole game, apart from 4 really poor overs with some soft dismissals and losing those wickets. So for Ben to soak up that pressure and come through it and be not out at the end, will give him lots of confidence, and it's great to see him play in that fashion.
And Jason, I mean, is he the sort of one to watch for the competition teams? He's probably one of the most dangerous sort of out there when he's in this sort of form.
Yeah, absolutely. It's great to watch him go about his work. He, obviously, he's been fantastic at the top of the order for a long time. He's been in great form in this series, and he was desperate to go on and score 100. So, he played fantastically well. It's great to watch him in full flow. He's an exciting batsman and very dangerous at the top of the order.
Will and George and such.
Tom Confrence done a bit of a call out the bat today. Is someone people underestimate it?
I don't think he's underestimated, certainly not within our change room. He's a fantastic cricketer. He offers, like I say, with the bat and the ball, I love his character. He wants to be involved in the game, and every time he's been asked to perform, he's done brilliantly well. So, we had a great game today.
Bowling, I mean, it must be fantastic captain bowling that many weapons. I don't know whether have you ever played in the side with that quicker opening attack? And is that exciting to have attack with that many options at your disposal?
Yeah, absolutely. There's lots of options in the attack today. I thought the opening spell from Wood and Archer was excellent, and probably unlucky not to pick up a couple of wickets. Like I say, it's very exciting to have 2 guys there running in with a brand new ball bowling 90 miles an hour.
Quick as you dealt with as a keeper?
Yeah.
Sarge?
Josh, you've had a good look at Pakistan in this series. I mean, people are already writing them off. Some of the Pakistani media are. What do you think of their chances at the World Cup, and how do you see them as an opponent? Obviously, they're missing a few players in this series.
Yeah, they're always dangerous in world events. I think they probably like it when guys write them off because they come back and always have these great performances in them. I think they're a very dangerous side. As we've seen a couple of years ago in the Champions Trophy, and they go all the way. So I don't think they'll be too worried before going into this one.
2 more on Shaman here.
England is red hot favourite for the World Cup. So how important was the win for the boys and for the morale of the team?
Yeah, it was another series win. That's what we were chasing at the start of the series. So to get it done today is a fantastic effort from everyone. We keep trying to improve. We keep trying to get better. There's areas of the game we'll always try and get better. But the guys are showing some great signs with both bat and ball.
Good luck.
Last question. Are we done? Thank you. UK ready? Do you want to wait here?